Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A5 brake pads. First, gather all necessary tools, including a car jack, lug wrench, and a brake caliper compression tool. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and supported by jack stands before you begin. Once the car is stable, remove the wheel to gain clear access to the brake caliper and the old brake pads. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old brake pads. Begin by detaching the caliper guide pins, which usually requires an Allen key or a small wrench. Carefully slide the caliper off the rotor and secure it so it doesn't hang by the brake line. Then, you can easily slide out the old, worn brake pads from their mounting brackets. Take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for any grooves or uneven wear, as this might indicate a need for replacement too. With the old pads removed, it's time to install the new ones. First, use a caliper compression tool to gently push the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Next, carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper mounting bracket, ensuring they fit snugly. Finally, slide the brake caliper back over the rotor and secure it by reinserting and tightening the guide pins. Double-check all connections for tightness. To complete the job, reattach the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Carefully lower your Audi A5 back to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper pistons against the new pads. Then, take your car for a short test drive in a safe area at low speed to ensure the brakes are functioning correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.